Hi, my name is Phil from Svärdsåg, working for ITS TV. Today I'm going to introduce you to the sword saw from Svärdsåg. The sword saw, it can cut 200mm deep, works on the principle of a chainsaw, but you can use it on a guide rail from Svärdsåg. This means that you can cut accurately and quickly and really efficiently by using this machine. So we're going to take you through the features and benefits of this machine now. Remember, anything on Svärdsåg that's green is a function and also a benefit. So on top, if we depress this button and pull the trigger, the machine will start up. Sequential operation, but it means you're working safely all the time. On the side here, this is a fast fix cover for changing the blade. If we take the cover off, now we can expose the sword. At the back here we have a riving knife, and again this helps you work safely and make sure that the timber doesn't clamp up onto the chain. The kerf on this is 10mm. So when you're cutting, you're taking out a lot of material, but also, again, working quickly and efficiently. If we go around to the front, and you can see here, if we undo this lever, this adjustment at the front, another one at the back, we can lean this over to 60 degrees. So for all types of bevel cuts, we've got exactly the right sort of angle that we need to use. Turning the machine around, here, variable speed. Normally we leave it on 6 if we're cutting solid timber, but you can also use this machine for cutting insulation materials. Here is the oil delivery, and on the side here is an adjustment for tightening the chain up. We take this off, and this is where we can refill with oil. It has to be kept topped up with oil, and there's an onboard oil pump to make sure that all times the chain is lubricated. On the side there's two adjustments. This means we can fit it onto the guide rail and you can get clean, accurate, straight cuts with it as well. So the first thing we'll do, we'll pop it onto the guide rail and we'll do a really straightforward cut of cross-cutting this timber section. So if you look along here, you can see that the chain is fully up against the material. What we need to do is to angle this forward a little bit, and then at 10 degrees, and it gives us what's called an entry cut into the timber. So now when the chain hits the timber, it will gradually cut its way in. Remember, sequential operation, push the lever down, pull the trigger, and away we go. If you notice, the sword saw will stop within 3 seconds. As soon as you let go of the trigger, the blade will cease moving, and again, you're working quite safely. At the back, the cable comes out to the left-hand side to make sure it's kept away from the sword. And also notice one other thing. One of the best clamps from Svärdsåg is the FS Rapid, and that's the ideal clamp to use while using this machine with the guide rail. So, the SSU, the market this is aimed at is for timber framing, for roofing, and also areas such as landscape gardening, where you're cutting big, deep timber sections and you need to work quickly and easily.